From starting out on a 32-foot carver and living on it for the summer, spending plenty of time with my friends, to working and now living on a 40-foot bestway trawler. Stay tuned as I continue to fix up and one day, hopefully, toss the lines. I'm Tucker, and this is Trashy Tuckers. What's up, guys? Trashy Tucker here. It's a nice 9 o'clock on a Monday morning. It's a tad bit windy, but got the boat at the fuel dock right now. I try and go out front, anchor, want sand on my handrails, maybe take the cabinet doors off the stuff inside, take my back, sand them down. Figured I'd go out front to do it. Maybe if the wind dies down, I might take the drone up for a little bit, but yeah, we're going to get some stuff done today. Pumping some fuel in right now. I'll put about 50 gallons in there because I got to run the generator once I get out there so I can get my tools charged up and keep the heat going. But she ain't too bad. She's a little gusty, but she ain't bad. We'll be alright. I'm going to learn how to do this stuff. I got to be able to do it on my own. Waves up to that, it's just the wind. I had my generator running for a little bit, mainly because I had some laundry going. But I'm anchored up, I'm not drifting. Just surprising for how wind is right now. Gotta go ahead and start sanding on my elements and that stuff. Let's see what we can get done today. So I got the little tuna door sanded down. It's actually, you can see the comparison right there. It's actually coming out pretty good. So I think if I can get everything like that, then take some of that teak cleaner and all that stuff, I think it should be all right. This is what it used to look like. This was a piece that the old owner took off. So if I can get everything looking like that again, I think I'll be pretty happy. But look at her. It's beautiful out here today. It's gonna be a good time. What you two think about being out on the water? Lily, I know you're scared to death. You don't know what's going on. You can't see nothing, all you know is that the boat's moving. She is not a fan of the motors running while she's inside. But you go out there. Callie. Callie boy. Let's get going. Oh, goodness. What you think, Callie boy? What you think? You like it out here? What you think? You want to do this full time? You think you can handle that? Think you can handle living out here? Do a lot of fishing? I think you'd be a pretty good fisherman. Yeah? Is that your chair now? It's going to be a problem when we have to drive back. So yeah, he did not enjoy being inside the boat with the motors running. He was not happy about that. Neither him nor Lily. Of course, Lily, I can understand. Imagine being a blind cat and just everything around you's making noise and vibrating. But he seemed to do pretty good out here. What do you say? see. So that makes me happy. Seeing him like it out here gives me hope. Alright, so small hiccup. Plan for today. All I got is a little oscillating tool with one battery because they're expensive. So my plan was just use that till it dies, fire a generator up, and just hand sand from there. Started the generator up this morning, let it run on my way out. I was doing a load of laundry with it on. Ran fine. I just turned it off a little while ago because I wanted some peace and quiet out here. And I go to plug the battery in and turn the generator on, and now she wants to act up. So I don't know what that's about. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit before I try it again. But I guess for now it's time to hand sand until I can figure out what to do about that. So, oh well, I got all day. Ain't got nothing else to do. So let's get the hand sanding. Let's get the hand sanding. Look who's getting comfortable walking around the boat. I gotta be worried about you now. Lily. Lily. Psst. Quit looking overboard. You can't see anything. Don't look overboard. She's the one I'm worried about. Yeah, I'm talking about you. What do you think, Callie? I think this is the farthest he's ever been up here. You coming too, Lily? Come on. Come on. Catty boy. Come on. Callie, leave her alone. Stop looking overboard. I don't like it when you do that. Come on, Ninny girl. Dummy. Go ahead up there. So the wind has calmed down quite a bit. And I was able to take the drone out, fly it in the air for a little bit. Oh, I just took my glasses off. It is bright. But I took the drone up, and this is like the first footage that I have of my boat in the water, anchored up, and I like seeing that. So, first time taking the drone out over top open water too, which I was not a fan of because I'm still not the greatest drone pilot. But yeah, I got some pretty good footage. I'll show it to you in a minute. Pretty happy about it. Today's a good day. Alright, I got the railing on the back sanded. Trying to use my camera sparingly since the generator doesn't want to cooperate and I want to be able to video all the important stuff. So, but yeah, I've been hand sanding it. It's turning out pretty good. Getting it to the point where I can put some, teeth cleaner on it, get it scrubbed up, and get it all ready. So, yeah, she's turning out good. She's cleaning up nice. I'm happy about that. And even with the hand sander, I'm cooking along pretty good. I mean, I got the whole back deck done. Just gotta do that on each side. God, this boat's dirty. I just cleaned it. Really gotta sand the whole thing down and paint it. God, it's a beautiful day for it. She's running again. Crisis averted. I can charge my batteries. I guess she was just being finicky. So, this is the first time I've turned it on in a couple months. So, let it run for a little bit, let that battery charge. I'm gonna eat some lunch while that's going on and sit out here and enjoy the view. Just glad I don't have to hand sand for the rest of the day. That was gonna be a pain. But now she runs, so we're good. Alright, well, I got about 90% done, and the wind picked up, and the sanding's going overboard. So, I'm on the anchor up now. Might as well head in. Wind's starting to pick up anyway. I want to make sure I can get back into the sleep. What'd you think? Did you have fun out there today? Did you have fun out there today? You like being a boat cat? Whew. Alright. Got her back in the slip. Couldn't really record too much just because it was blowing like crazy and I played hell trying to get her back in here without hitting another boat. So, but I got her. So, I got the handrails about 90% done till the wind picked up and it blew my sanding sponge right out of my hand and overboard. And I don't have a net. So, but I got majority of what I wanted to get done today. So, but yeah, hopefully we get some warmer weather. I can get some teat cleaner, stuff like that. Get them things looking right. I'm gonna be ordering some paint here soon for the inside. So, trying to get everything ready for spring and summertime. I'm hoping to be anchored up a lot out there. I'm hoping every weekend I can take this boat somewhere and just hang out on the water. So, but yeah, till next time, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, keep it trashy.